Is Amazon PPC just for sales, or can it skyrocket your organic keyword rankings too? I'll break it down in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. As you can see, I've been managing ads personally and have a whole team that's been managing my clients' ads, and we do very well. And I can say with confidence that Amazon ads boost your organic ranking. On average, for every one Amazon ad sale, you're going to be generating 2 organic sales. So running ads does help increase your organic sales as well and help you rank on Amazon. So you should definitely be running it for the keywords you want to rank for. Now for the rest of this video, I'm going to do an actual hands-on breakdown so you can see that with your own eyes. And we can see right here, here's a product. It's a portable campfire, okay? And this one's making $17,000 a month, right? The reviews are okay, 4.2. They're selling it for a very high price, $96.99, but they are making $17,000 a month, which is solid. Then we have another competitor. They're only making $821 a month, right? But they have the Amazon's Choice badge, and they have a much better price and better reviews compared to the competitor, right? So why are their sales so darn low? And after looking at everything, a lot of this does come down to Amazon ads. This competitor right here is not running Amazon ads whatsoever at all, so they're not being seen and they're not getting that organic rank spike that helps them generate more sales, not only with Amazon ads, but organically. Now we have a tool called Helium 10. You can sign up for a free trial. The link's right in the description. But what we can do is actually go to Tools, Cerebro, and see proof that they're not running any Amazon ads at all. So what we're going to do is type in the Asin of this product. We're going to see how well they're ranking on Amazon. So we click Get Keywords, and then we scroll down, and this is the most important part. You'll see it says paid, and it says 0. So if paid is 0, that means they're not running any Amazon ads whatsoever. They've never generated any sales from Amazon ads. So, we say that right there. Also, we can see their organic rank is 542. So this means they're only showing up 542 times on Amazon. So if somebody types in portable bonfire, they show up. Probably not at the top, probably in the middle, but they show up. That counts as number 1. Coleman City bonfires, if somebody types this in, they show up again. So that's organic rank 2, right? So they show up 542 times for 542 different keywords or keyword sets, just like it's shown here. Each one is 1, okay? Now what we're gonna do is look at our competitor. Are they running ads? Are they showing up? How many times are they showing up compared to our competitor? So let me go here again. I'm gonna go back to Cerebro, and we're gonna run this. This is our competitor, the one that was making $17,000 a month on Amazon. And we can see right away, their paid bank is 1,273. So compared to 0, there's a 0. Competitor 1,273. Not only does this help their paid rank, but it also helps boost their organic rank to 1,455 compared to 542. In total, the one that's making only $800 a month is showing up 662 times on Amazon, while the other one's showing up 2,482, which is, what is that, triple, quadruple? Quadruple. So quadruple amount of times. That's not the only thing. The keywords that they're running Amazon ads for, if we filter what keywords they're showing up for, we can do it by search volume. They're showing up for the keyword camping essentials, which is being searched on Amazon right now almost 200,000 times. So if they get 200,000 eyeballs on Amazon, that makes a huge difference. Fire Country, they're definitely running Amazon ads for this. Again, an extra practically 400,000 views a month. So if they're getting extra 400,000 views, they're running Amazon ads towards these keywords, they're getting clicked, and now they're showing up organically for these keywords. Compared to the competitor, If we do the search volume, it's much less, 95,000, and it drops to 36,000 views. So their views are way less. So let's just say they're getting 100,000 views compared to, if we look at their top 3, almost 1 million views a month. That's night and day. That's technically jumps it up to 10x. So that's why the sales are pretty much 10x, more than 10x for this product, because they're running Amazon ads, and they're strategically running Amazon ads towards keywords that are generating them a higher search volume. Okay? So that's what I'm trying to explain in this video, is that you should be running ads, you should be testing them, and focus on keywords that help you rank organically, that you want to show up on page number 1 for organically. Because each time somebody types in, let's say fire pit, right? Somebody types in fire pit and they see their ad, because the ads usually show up before any of the organic keywords. They see the ad, they click on the ad, they buy the product. It boosts your ranking for Amazon ads, and it boosts their organic ranking, so they show up number 1 for ads and organic ranking. And that's what makes a difference. And that's what makes a difference between $17,000 a month in sales and $821. Even if Duraflame ran ads for a few months and then stopped, they would probably be ranking extremely high. But instead, they're not running any ads whatsoever at all. And that's what's impacting them on Amazon. And that's just how Amazon is. That's how the algorithm goes. And that's it for today's video. Want me to cover more Amazon PPC hacks? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, Amazon advertising, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll have our advertising team manage your ads. We'll monitor your listings, remove hijackers and competitors that are stealing your sales or ripping off your reviews. We'll call Amazon, do your customer service, your design, and of course, make sure your sales are going up and not down. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.